to cover access a shell prompt and issue the commands with the correct syntax. So any command like ls and hit enter. If you are writing something like double L and then /home, then maybe if you are not writing the correct sentence, correct syntax means first your command, okay, and how you will identify the syntax, like I am using the man, checking the manual of the ls command. So you can say this is the syntax, like ls option and the file name or the folder or the directory. This is the correct syntax. Options, any options, maybe A, maybe L, or maybe the combination of the multiple options. Like if I am using the, and one more thing, if I am using this one, ls-l, then you can see here the command is not found. So what does it means? What is the difference between this one and this one? Only the capital letter here. So this Linux is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means if the command is like this, or this command is ifconfig, then you cannot write like if some data is displaying here, so you cannot write the command similar like here, like if I am using the ifconfig capital letter or I am using the ifconfig, so it will not work. Reason is simple. This is the case sensitive, means if the small letter is there, you have to put the small letter. Another example, like if I am going to give the ls/home, so I am getting the result. If I am going to put here the capital H and OME, I am getting the error. Cannot access this file because no such file or the directory. So first thing is, this is Linux is a case sensitive. So keep in mind, you will have to provide the correct syntax and correct thing. Got it? Another is if you are putting here like /home, instead of the /home, I am going to put it here, the home. So also the directory does not exist. So what is the importance of the slash? Because if I will check the ls/, so I found the home directory exists inside the slash. That is the reason I need to put it here, slash first, then give the directory name. Any directory, boot directory, dev directory, etc, home, any directory. So keep in mind, without putting this, like I am not putting here and I am putting this boot and I am getting the error. But I will check here and put it here /boot, and here it is the result. So do you understand the correct syntax? If you are making any type of the different, like if I am going to use here the ls here, and if I want to check inside this document, downloads, magic, music, picture, public, so how I will check there? Will I check there like ls/desktop? Will it give the result? So let me check. No directory. But you are looking here, but the directory exists. And the same, there is no difference. But when I am running here the ls and desktop, so I am getting some result, but not error. So what is the difference between this and this? This and this. So if I will use the ls command and use the slash, so I will find there is a no desktop exist. Is there any directory name the desktop exist? The answer is no. If no directory exists, it means if you run the ls and /desktop, so it means this directory does not exist. You can check here, you can see here. no directory exists. So you will get this result. So if you want to check here the desktop documents, downloads, and the things, so how you will use this command? It is depend on a path. So what is the path? There is a two types of the path. Two type of the path. First, I want to check where I am, means my current working directory or my current directory, like where I am or where user is. So I will run the pwd command. So it will display the present working directory. So present working directory is /home/Kumar. So if I want to check inside this, I am going to create a, like I want to check here the ls, then home, then Kumar, then desktop. Okay, that's it. Because I will run here the ls command and I check here the desktop exists, but I don't know my current working directory. So this is my current working directory, and I need to add this one or this one or this one or this one or this one. This is the parent directory, and these are the directory inside the current directory. So if I want to check inside the desktop, so I will use the ls/home, then Kumar, then desktop, and hit enter. I will not provide the directly. Either I will provide the share the desktop and the same result.